Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off notifications in the Zalando app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First you have to open up the Zalando app, and here it opens up in the home menu where we have some suggestions and some articles. From here we have to go into the top right corner and tap on the profile icon. Then under the overview section, we have app settings. We tap on this. Then as the second option, we find notifications new. This is a new function that they just added. We tap on this, which will redirect us to the phone settings, where we can just turn on notifications and then set up how we would like to receive them, either pop-up, badge, silent, or sound and vibration. We can customize it. If it is already turned on, we can just turn it off here. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.